Namaste, I JVN Dr. Julie Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is lipids. Lipids are the large and diverse group of the naturally occurring animals or a plant origin organic compounds soluble in the organic solvent ether, chloroform, acetone, benzene, and are generally insoluble in water and comprises of the fixed oil, fat, and water. The basic function of the oil and fat is storage of the enzymes apart from the several uses of the medicine and inducers in industries and in medicine. They are obtained by expression and extracted method. Several several tests and standards such as acid values, saponification value, iodine value, solubility in various solvents, and specific gravity are considered for determining in the purity and the identity. So first of the lipid is B-wax. Synonym of the B-wax: yellow B-wax, Caraflora. Biological source of the B-wax is yellow B-wax is purified wax and is obtained from the honeycomb of the bees, Apis mellifera, and other species of apple belonging to family Apidae. Geographical source of B-wax is it is processed and commercially prepared in the France, Italy, West Africa, Germania, and in India. How to prepare and the processing of the preparation. The capping comb of the honeycomb is broken, boiled in a small water, and closed in the porous bag weight to keep under water. The boiling causes oozing of the wax. Then cool this. Wax is collected outside the bag from the cake, and then the debris of the outer surface of the wax is removed by scraping. Wax purification is done by heating in boiled water or dilute sulfuric acid, and settling process is repeated several times, and finally wax is skimmed off. Wax bleaching, treatment of hydrogen peroxide, chromic acid, ozone, charcoal chloride, or potassium permanganate, etc. Natural bleaching, exposing the wax to the sunlight in the thin layer. Then what is the description of the bee-wax? The color of the bee-wax is yellow to yellowish brown in color. Odor is aggregable and honey-like. Extra features like yellow bee-wax is non-crystalline solid. It is soft in touch and crumbles under the pressures of the finger and the plastic mass. Under molten condition, it can be given by desired shape. It breaks with the granular fracture. Solubility, it is insoluble in water, soluble in hot alcohol, ether, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, fixed and volatile oil. Standard of the standard temperatures like melting point is 62 degree to 65 degree Celsius. Specific gravity is 0.958 to 0.967. Acid value is 0.5 to 10. Saponification value is 90 to 103. Ester value is 80 to 95. Chemical constituent, it is consists of the ester of the straight chain monohydric alcohol with the straight chain acid. The chief constituent of the B-wax is myrigen, that is the myrcryl palminate, about 80%. Free cariotic acid, about 15%. Small quantities of the mesiatic acid and aromatic substances, caryolic and other constituents. Indian B-wax is categorized by its lower acid value, while the European B-wax has the acid value of 17 to 22. Uses of the beeswax. Beeswax is used in the preparation of ointment, plaster, polishes. It is used in the ointment of hardening purposes and manufacture candies, molds, and in dental and electronic industries. It is also used to use in the cosmetic of preparation of cosmetic of the lipsticks, face creams. Pharmaceutically, it is the ingredient of paraffin ointment in the pharmacopoeia. Adulterant. Many frequently, beeswax is adulterated with the colophony, hard paraffins, stearic acid, Japan wax, right, spermaceti, carbonula wax, and several other substances. Adulteration can be detected by on the basis of solubility and melting point. The genuine beeswax should not give turbidity when 0.5 gram of beeswax is boiled with 20 ml of the aqueous caustic soda for the 10 minutes and cooled. White beeswax obtained by the bleaching yellow beeswax and should not be used with the ophthalmic purpose. Then come forward to the castor oil. Castor oil is synonymous with richness oil. Biological source of the castor oil. Castor oil is fixed oil is obtained by the old expressions of the seed and Rhinus communis family Euphorbiaceae. Geographical source of castor oil. Castor seeds are product in almost all tropical and subtropical countries. In India, castor is one of the major oil seed crop. In India is the second largest producer of the castor seed in the world, producing about 280,000 tons per annum. Brazil, USSR, Thailand, USA, Romania, other countries produce the drug in a large scale. In India, it is largely grown in the Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh also produces 60% of the local crop in India. India is the exporter of the medicinal castor oil. The other two forms of the castor oil is hydrogenated and dehydrated are also getting exported regularly. Composition of the seed. Since the castor oil is fixed of the therapeutic importance and purgative action, it cannot be consumed freely. Apart from the oil, seed can also contain some of the tonic substances. Castor seeds consist of 75% of kernel and 25% of whole. Seed weigh from 0.1 to 1 gram. Castor seed are rich in phosphorus content and in the form of the ptyalin. Hell is the rich in the mineral and also contain an alkaloid rich in resins, pigment, etc. The oil content of the kernel varies from 36 to 60%. Amongst different varieties in Hyderabad, Mughal variety is supposed to be the richest, about 48% of the oil content. Castor seeds contain several enzymes include lipase, maltase, invertase. The proteinaceous toxic principle retinine constituting about 3% of the whole seed is poisonous. Preparation of the medicinal castor oil. The castor oil can be prepared by the two different methods. The first being crushing the whole and decortified seed in the power driven hydraulic pressure, and the second one is known as the ghani, which is consists of the manually operated screw press driven by the bucklocks. For the commercial extraction, the first method is adapted. The oil thus produced in non-medicinal castor oil. The seeds are graded and feed for impurities like metallic pieces of iron and sand. The seeds are decorated and hulls are removed. If the seeds are not decorated, the mineral values of the cake is increased. For the medicinal purpose, it is desired that the seed should be decorated, as it is remove the color of the oil and also help to controlling the acid values. Decorated seeds are pressed under the hydraulic pressure with the pressure of the 2 ton per square inch. With the help of extracting out 30% of the oil present in the seed at room temperature. The oil is known as the cold drawn oil. Rest of the oil from the seed is removed by further increasing in the pressure in sometimes by hot pressing or even the solvent extraction process. The oil thus proceed is not suitable for the medicinal purposes. The cold drawn oil is steamed at 80 degrees Celsius to destroy the enzyme lipase and rich toxic proteins. It is then bleached and deacidified with the sodium carbonate to remove the fatty acid. It is necessary oil which oil is washed with the hot water before the stream to remove the mucilaginous matter present in the oil. Finally, it is treated with the activated earth and animal charcoal to remove the impurities by the adsorptions and filled into the containers. So, next is description. What is the description of the castor oil? Pale yellow and almost colorless liquid. Odor is light and characteristics. Taste is first it is bland, but afterwards slightly acrid and usually nauseating. It is viscous and transparent liquid. It is soluble in alcohol. Exceptions to the category of fixed oil miscible in chloroform. It is the chloroform solvent ether, glacial acetic acid and petroleum ether. It is insoluble in the mineral oil. Standard of this weight is the 0.945 to 0.965 gram. Acid value not more than 2. Acetyl value is not more than 143. Iodine value is between 92 to 90. Saponification value is 176 to 187. Optical rotation between 3.5 to 6. Solidifying point 10 to 8 minus 18 degrees Celsius. Viscosity is 6 to 8%. Chemical constituents. Castor oil chiefly contain triglyceride of racemic acid, about 80%. Other glyceride are also present in the drug, where the fatty acids are represented by the isocyanuric acid, linoleic and stearic and isostearic acids. The viscosity of the castor oil is due to the racemic acid. Castor oil contains heptaldehyde, heptanol, andronic acid, sabiaic acid. Identification it mixed with the half of its volume of light petroleum ether, 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Oil plus ethanol equal volume, clear liquid. Castor out 0 degrees Celsius and above the 3 hours. Liquid remains clear. Distinctions from the other fixed oil. Uses of the castor oil. Castor oil is cathartic. It is used for the lubrication. Commercially, several other forms of the castor oil such as the dehydrated castor oil, hydrogenated castor and are used for industry for the several other purposes. The fatty acid is racemic and heptaldehyde and andronic acid and other substrated commercially prepared out of the castor oil. Turkey red oil and soap are other commercial purpose extensively used in the textile industry. It is used in the preparation of paints, enamels, varnishes, greases, polishes, paintings, inks, hydraulic and weights of spirit like with the little modification. The cathartic property of the castor is due to the irritated actions of the rhizonic acid. Castor oil is often given orally as the aromatic castor oil in the form of the capsule. It is used in abortifacient and paste, and rhizonic acid is used in the contraceptive creams and jellies. Atropine and the cocaine of ophthalmic purpose is suspending in the castor oil. It is employed as emollient in the preparation of lipsticks and sulfur cyanolate tooth formulation, being strong bactericides. Other cosmetic purpose of which the oil is used include perfume, hair oil, and hair fixers. For the commercial manufacturers of the symbiac acid, which is raw mineral synthesis of the resin. So this is all about the topic. Thank you. If you have any query,